tree.
Oh,
Really?
oh.
In the tree?
Okay, hold please.
Guys, come here.
It's for James, Anna, and
Oh, I
Grace.
forgot about
For James, Anna, and Grace. There's another present. James, Anna. Oh my God, what is this?
Jamesy, come here.
It's behind you.
It's a map.
It's a map. Read it.
Oh
What
my
does it
God.
say?
Read it. We are going to Disney. We're going to Disney World. Yes! I'm going to Disney World for the first time ever. Jay, I can touch Tinkerbell's hair.
We're going to Disney World
Look at
tomorrow.
What? We're going tomorrow?
Yes.
Happy.
Yay! We're going to Disney World tomorrow.
James.
Mom,
James is
Mommy,
like
we're going to Disney World tomorrow.
Yes.
We can leave and go on a plane.
We're driving. It's only a few hours from here.
Did you get that for us?
Us and Santa helped.
You saw Santa?
Yeah, at the mall.
Oh my God.
Are you excited?
Yeah! I bet Elsie, Mommy, I bet Elsie printed this out.
Oh,
Because
okay.
he's on
Oh, okay. So we'll show you your gift that you can return.
Oh, yeah.
Yay!
Let me take you out to the garage.